Shenzhen Input Technology Company Limited was established in 2011. We are over 10 years Alibaba Golden Supplier and Senior WPC member. Our main products covering fast wireless charger, fast wireless charger stand, wireless car charger, multifunction wireless charging products, car charger, wall charger, and have rich experience for OEM and ODM project. Most of our products are patent design with high-quality PCBA board for 7 safety protections, approved for QI, KC, CE, FCC, RoS certifications, can meet the quality standard of most of countries and markets. We have experienced research and developing team including professional design engineers, structural engineers, and electronic engineers. Focus on developing new products to meet different market-changing demand. And we launch 2 new products every month on average. We have expertise sales and after-sales team, provide professional communication and products information, follow-up order and production, and good after-sales service. We strict in quality control. The products from incoming materials to finished products will do 4 times full inspections. The reject ratio control within 1 in 1,000. We provide 12 months warranty, relying on the high-quality goods, fast delivery, and good service for customers. We wind good reputation from all market. We are aimed to build one-stop wireless charging service. Our slogan is, "Wireless charging makes life easy." Welcome to visit Input Technology. Looking forward to cooperate with you.